Hello, all you Trader Joe's shoppers. Today I'm making skewers with a Trader Joe's raw Argentinian red shrimp. They're in the frozen section and they're like 10 bucks. You get a whole pound of them and you can make shrimp cocktail, you can make all kinds of shrimp dishes. I put them on skewers and serve them with the thaw these out, rinse them off really good, drain them really well. And skewer them on your skewers. My wild Argentinian red shrimp are thawed. I counted them, and since there's 4 of us, there's enough to put 6 on each skewer. You don't want one skewer with all big ones and then one skewer with all little ones. You want to break them up, and you want to make sure and have all the heads going the same way on the skewer. It just looks better. Just the shrimp right in the center, and turn it up so that you get the end on it as well. What I decided to do for the seasoning is use the rest of my fresh mozzarella cheese oil that we used to make the caprese earlier. So now I'm just pouring the oil and the bits from the bottom of this mozzarella cheese onto the shrimp. Makes them look pretty and it seasons them. Tin foil, good to go. Take the foil out of your tin and set it right on the hot barbecue and barbecue for 1.5 minutes on each side. Alternatively, you could put the whole tin into the 350-degree oven and cook for 20 minutes. Thanks so much for watching.